Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's June 13th, Monday morning. Markets in general are quiet here today. We've got dollar down 6, crude oil down 75, gold's unchanged, and the stock indexes are a little firmer here this morning. Grain markets relatively quiet. The trade there is mostly spreading between old crop, new crop. July corn stronger this morning, basically off of cash markets, strong cash markets in the eastern corn belt, where farmers have basically shut the door because they haven't been able to get corn planted. They still got corn that's trying to come out of the ground. Some of them are planting yet today, and we'll get those numbers this afternoon when the USDA releases the planting progress report. The old crop corn, or the new crop corn, I should say, is getting some moisture throughout the Midwest. Weather conditions, not necessarily excellent, but getting better. In the USDA's numbers this afternoon, we expect the planting progress to be pretty much done in corn, and the crop conditions to improve as weather conditions have improved somewhat. The soybeans, they're following along in the corn pattern here, but planting progress should be about 85 to 90% complete. A study that Rich Nelson has done here in our office to put economic value on those soybeans, they come in around $12.95 to $13 in the new crop beans, a little under where current prices are. The weather conditions for wheat growing areas, FSU and the EU area, conditions got better here over the weekend and look to be some adequate rain, some improving crop conditions there. However, the northern plains and the Canadian prairie area, right along that Canadian border here in the between the U.S. and Canada, there's a band that is extremely wet yet, and planting progress is at a standstill. Over in the livestock, we've got choice beef down sharply on Friday, down 103. The select down $2.01. The report last week on exports showed that our exports slowed somewhat during the month of May and April. The imports actually of beef increased, and it gives us a reason for some of the sharp sell-off that we've seen in this cattle market over the last several weeks. In the hog trade, cutout values there were down slightly, only 38 cents on Friday. We did have some news out of South Korea that they were interested in buying more pork and expected to double their pork imports and double the pork imports that were coming in tariff-free. So that's been providing support to the hog trade, and it should give the hog futures some support here if we get any setback. And likely the way the cattle trade has gone and the hog trade have gone in opposite directions, we could see some setback in the pork here early today, but expect to find some good support underneath that market. So look for this market to bounce around here, maybe some profit taking as early in the week, and then traders are going to continue to focus on that June 30th crop report, the planting intentions report coming out here, and the farmer survey that we look forward to. So we wish everybody a very successful trading day, and have a good day. Thank you.